Hey guys! In today's video, I am going to show you how you can get a redeem code on TestFlight. Let's get started. First, open the TestFlight app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, tap on Continue, and then agree to the terms and conditions. After that, you'll land on the main screen that says you're ready to test apps. Now, before you can start testing any app, a developer needs to invite you to their TestFlight. They usually send this invite through email or message. In that invite, you'll either get a direct link or a redeem code. If you received a code, tap on Redeem. Here, you'll need to enter the invitation code that the developer sent you. This code usually comes in your email or messages, so copy it from there and paste it into TestFlight. Once you enter the code, tap Redeem. If the code is valid, you'll instantly get access to the app, and you'll be able to start testing it right away. After that, you can install the app and use it just like any other app while providing feedback to the developer. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.